This tool uses Canadian plates with strong nylon and steel ratchets. You get 2 per set for one drive axle, fitting many truck and SUV wheels. Each plate is 7 inches long. Easy to install in minutes, they help tires gain grip in snow or mud at very low speeds. Changing a tire on the road is stressful, especially if it's dark. This electric jack makes it much easier. Just plug it into your car and press a button. The motor lifts your car in minutes. It also includes a tire inflator with a built-in gauge, so you can swap and fill that tire quickly. The Bogged kit makes getting your vehicle out of the mud easy, completely replacing the need for a winch. It uses strong straps attached to a solid anchor, like a tree, and loops them around a wheel. As the wheel turns, the vehicle is pulled out. Check out this new pulley for synthetic winch ropes. It's super light, just 21 ounces, but can pull 22,000 pounds. In a typical setup, a soft shackle connects the pulley to an anchor point. The winch line runs through the ring and either changes direction or loops back to the vehicle to create a 2-to-1 pull. Motor winch jack is perfect if you can't lift your bike by yourself. You hook the strap to the handlebars and start ratcheting. Each click lifts the bike a little at a time. This little winch is super handy. It has a motor and it only weighs 8 pounds. You can pull by hand first and then use the motor, and the brake keeps the rope from slipping. It hooks to a battery and a solid anchor, so you can move it between bikes and use it whenever you get stuck. Everybody has a regular drill, so this little winch hooks up to drill and comes in 2 sizes. One can pull 500 pounds, the other 750. You just hook it to what you're moving, let the rope out with the clutch, and then turn on the drill to pull it in. CPT rigs are huge machines, weighing 40,000 pounds. Big number, right? And they don't need ropes or winches to do their job. They move slowly, 2 to 9 miles per hour, but their wide tracks help them glide without leaving big marks. Next system kicks in really fast, usually in just a couple of seconds. It works best with a few inches of snow, and you can use it going forward or backward, anywhere from about 5 to 25 miles per hour. This traction tool comes in 3 lengths, 46, 58, or 70 inches. It can raise a tire 3 to 4 inches when stacked. Made from cold-resistant plastic with steel hinges, it folds like an accordion to fit small spots and stay aligned under tires. This winch is simple to use. It runs off your vehicle's battery, spins a motor, and gives extra pulling power, up to 3,500 pounds. The rope wraps around a small drum inside a steel box.